Imagine turning blockchain data into instant insights for your crypto plays without the hassle. That's the graph in 2025, exploding with new chains, AI integrations, and 14,000 live subgraphs powering decentralized apps worldwide. But here's the real hook. GRT's price is dipping into a prime buy opportunity at 8 cents, forming a symmetrical triangle that screams potential breakout. We're talking targets up to 75 cents plus if it clears resistance. Is this your entry for massive yields? Stick around as we unpack the fresh updates, DeFi metrics, and a deep weekly chart dive showing why I'm already in, and why you might want to join. If you're hunting GRT price prediction for 2025 and 2026, or just chart analysis, this is it. Let's dive. 2025 has been a game changer for the graph. Since January, they've rolled out support for over a dozen new blockchains, making it easier than ever for developers to pull on-chain data. Think Solana for lightning-fast trades, Sei for seamless DeFi, Abstract Chain for modular builds, Unichain for cross-layer magic, Monad for high-throughput apps, and Tron for stablecoin flows. Each edition standardizes access, no matter the chain. It's like giving builders a universal key to every door in Web3. This isn't just expansion. It's fueling the next wave of decentralized apps that need reliable, real-time data to thrive. At the heart of it all, Subgraphs. These are essentially open-source databases tailored for blockchain queries, turning raw transaction chaos into usable insights. Right now, 14,000 are live on the Graph network, all free to query, no gatekeeping. Take Polymarket, the prediction market giant. Their subgraph lets you track every bet, trade, position, and liquidity pool with simple GraphQL queries. Perfect for dashboards, trading bots, or research tools. If you're building or just analyzing markets, this democratizes data like never before. Thousands of devs are already tapping in, supercharging apps from yield farms to NFT trackers. For Ethereum specifically, Substreams are a speed demon. Traditional indexing? It's like sipping data through a straw. Slow RPC calls filling a tub drop by drop. Substreams flip that. 15 parallel streams hooking straight into nodes, with low-latency gRPC for real-time flow. You get modular composability, enhanced models, 300% cost savings, uncapped throughput, and sync-it-anywhere flexibility. Back process in parallel, stream where it counts. This means faster bots, cheaper queries, and Ethereum data that doesn't lag behind the action. Devs, if you're tired of bottlenecks, this is your upgrade. Enter the Token API beta, fast, scalable token data at your fingertips. First up, MCP integration with Claude AI. Model Context Protocol lets you query on-chain tokens in natural language, like, what's the latest GRT holder count? No code hassle, just connect and go. Then, Solana DEX historical pricing went live, tracking swaps across 60-plus AMMs like Radium, Jupiter, Meteora, and Pump Fun. Build price charts, simplify tax accounting with full transaction history, standardized across chains. And to keep it clean, spam-scam scoring filters bad actors on Ethereum and Base. Detect rugs early, protect wallets from junk tokens. Devs asked, Graph delivered. Fundamentals? Rock solid in DePIN, the decentralized physical infrastructure network space. On DeFi Llama, the Graph's TVL sits at $207 million, mostly staked GRT. Annualized fees hit $812,000, revenue $8,100, with 24.2% of market cap staked. Holders earn steady yields, incentives flow, and it's the data layer for Web3. In the top DePIN projects by market cap as of late September, GRT clocks $856 million. Third place behind Render and Filecoin, ahead of Theta and Arweave. Alright, let's dive into the GRT-USD weekly chart. I anchored Fibonacci from March 2024's local top to the double bottom lows in April and June. Price retraced to October 2023 lows, support where buyers stepped in. That dashed orange descending trendline from the March high. It's held since, rejecting December's spike and now forming a symmetrical triangle since May's local high. July rejection confirmed the pattern. Consolidation before breakout. We're coiling below the apex, volume thinning, textbook setup for volatility. Price hovers at 8 cents, under all EMAs, 10, 21, 55, 100, and the 200 SMA green line. Bearish short-term, but that double bottom screams reversal. For newbies, EMAs are moving averages smoothing price trends. SMA is simple average over 200 weeks. Below them means sellers dominate, but oversold bounces hard. The green box? My load zone from prior videos, 7 cents to 9 cents for dollar cost averaging. We're consolidating right there, high reward to risk. Heikin-Ashi RSI indicator below measures momentum, ticks neutral but downward, typical post-pump digestion before the next leg. Left side VRVP volume profile, point of control at 9 cents, now resistance, flips to support on breakout. Red dashed line at 6 cents. My stop loss invalidation. Close below, and the trade's off, but my long-term bag stays. I believe in the protocol. Green circles mark my take profits levels. 15 cents I'm trimming 30%, 23 20%, 30 20%, 50 15%, 75 cents 10%, and a moon bag for the last 5%. I'll be trailing stops. Hit first, move to entry, and so on. Risk-free. Extra insight. Triangle projects to 15 cents minimum on upside break, aligning with the 236 fib extension. Downside risk to 6 cents is 25%, but upside to 75 cents is 837%. Asymmetric win. The graph is redefining Web3 data. From AI queries to scam filters, expansions to subgraphs, it's the backbone yields need. Price action is primed for liftoff if we hold that box. I'm in, eyes on 15 cents first. Crypto is volatile as hell. Only risk what you can lose. But this setup feels like striking gold before the rush. If this sparked your GRT price prediction interest, smash the like button. Subscribe for more daily chart breakdowns. Check my previous The Graph videos to catch up, links on screen. Oh, and join as a channel member for exclusive yield strategies. Link in description. What gem next? Tell me below. Never financial advice. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.